Hello, my name is Brina McBee, and we will be talking about the GPS Smart Soul. Being able to keep up with the ever-changing technology in the healthcare organization is pretty near impossible. However, knowing what is the best technology for the type of device you are needing now is easy to do with a little research. A very common issue that patients have that have been diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease is wandering off and some may not be found. There have been various types of devices created to track these individuals, however none as promising as SmartSoul, created by GTX Corp. Throughout this PowerPoint, we will be discussing what exactly SmartSoul is, what it is used for, if it's a threat to healthcare organizations, and some partnerships with SmartSoul that provide better patient care. SmartSoul was created by GTX Corp in 2002. GTX stands for Global Trek Exploration. One of the largest reasons this specific device was created was to give peace of mind to those who have a loved one who is suffering from Alzheimer's disease. It allows them to track the individual based off of GPS and cellular activity. It is very similar to your cell phone. It does require to be charged every day. Although it does require a service plan, it works in areas with cellular coverage. According to WHO in 2017, as the global population ages, the number of people living with dementia is expected to triple from 50 million to 152 million by 2050. In our reading, Freights describes this type of product as being defined as a disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovations is a term to describe how industries are transformed by companies that provide products and services that are dramatically more accessible, convenient, and affordable for customers. Individuals such as SmartSoul are strictly designed to give peace of mind not only to the family member of the loved one suffering from Alzheimer's disease, but also to the individual suffering. There is a small chip that is located within the sole of your shoe. This sole maintains the discreteness of the chip and makes the whole process wearable. Having something that is not out of the normal of an individual who is already scared is the path that should be taken. GTX Corp found a way to make sure it is not something that is easily forgotten, and it is not something that makes the individual feel like they are locked down. The primary reason is to allow those that do wander to be found. According to Jay Wayman, wandering can be dangerous because statistics show that when dementia-driven wanderers are found within the first 12 hours, 93% survive. This means that 7% do not make it back home. There are many different products that threaten healthcare organizations, however, I do not believe that SmartSoul is one of them. Within facilities that treat Alzheimer's disease, there are dated and intimidating to the patient merchandise available to assist with keeping tabs on patients. Bracelets are a common use within these facilities. However, patients find that they get a feeling of being trapped whenever they wear them. The tracking devices that are out there are just dated and not up with the times. SmartSoul is easy to use and up to date, all in all leading to fewer issues. SmartSoul is currently undergoing trials within the UK's National Health Services, which would ultimately lead to it being issued across England through the National Health Service. SmartSoul is also set for distribution across the UK and Ireland. UK's number of people suffering from dementia is reaching close to 1 million. Having a device like this that is ready to use could produce a multitude of positive feedback. Posofon AB is an IT telecom company based in Sweden that conducts mobile and app technology. They develop new services for increased welfare. Posofon is a leading player on the market for GPS-based personal safety alarms, also called mobile safety alarms. Ares works together with the GTX Core to alleviate some additional stress by providing connectivity. GTX chose Ares to provide the connectivity for SmartSoul since Ares technology powers a wide range of Internet of Things and M2M applications, delivering unparalleled cellular coverage and support services to ensure GTX customers always have the strongest signal no matter how remote the location of the device. With all that being said, the main goal that GTX Core is striving for is to make sure people are safe. If they are the ones that can provide individuals with peace of mind, why not make this mandated for all healthcare facilities with Alzheimer's disease being prevalent within? Throughout this PowerPoint, we discuss what exactly SmartSoul is, what it's used for, if it's a threat to healthcare organizations, and some partnerships with SmartSoul that provide better patient care.